Hey babes, it's Lorena. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Lorena. I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos every week, or at least I try to, because you know, sometimes life gets in the way and I just can't upload. But I'm trying to be very consistent, and for today, I finally have my NYU dorm tour here filmed for you guys. I think I took a while because I was still getting settled into my new life here in New York City, which is always very hectic and fast paced. But yeah, this is my dorm room. I have it set up to how I typically do. I try to keep everything pretty organized as best as I can because it just makes my life easier. And oh, the air just turned on. Okay, that's better. And I am very lucky that my roommate and I got a walk-in closet, which is kind of like a luxury here in New York City. So you guys will see how I keep that as clear as possible since I am a hoarder. But without further ado, let's get into this video.
So when you first walk into our apartment suite, this is what it looks like. This is our common area. We keep 3 chairs on there. And this is our kitchen area. We actually keep it pretty tidy considering it's 4 people living in here. But yeah, this is what it typically looks like. Very clean, I know. And then on the side, we have some cleaning supplies, a waste basket, and some things that need to be recycled, and an extra chair. Right here is my suite mate's door to their room, and they have a little shoe rack on the side. That shoe rack on this side belongs to my dorm mate. This is our bathroom door, and on the side we have the mirror that I always take my Instagram outfit of the day posts in. So yeah, let's go inside the bathroom. I'll show you guys what's inside. So this bathroom is actually pretty big considering we're in New York and there's not a lot of space. So I am very thankful. We have a bath and shower combo, a sink and a mirror, and our toilet. This little thing on the side isn't mine, the one with all like the extra products. It's one of my suite mates, but like what can you do? So it takes up a little space, but I guess that's okay. Now let's head on into our room. Okay, you guys, so this is my side of the room, my bed, my desk, my dresser, and I'll show you guys the closet in just a second. All of my bedding, except for the 2 fluffy pillows behind the square one, is from TJ Maxx. The fluffy pillows are from Walmart. And then next to my bed, I keep this fluffy white rug that I think is so pretty. It's also from TJ Maxx. You guys know I love that store. And then right here next to the AC in this little nook, I have some book bags and a lap desk just tucked away neatly. And then right here next to the bed, I have a little side caddy to hold my phone or any books I'm reading at night. And then under the bed is probably my favorite part of the entire thing. I have been using these under the bed pull-out comforter bags as storage bags for my clothes, and it has been such a great idea. They save so much space, they fit so many clothes, they're nice and compact, and they keep everything clean, most importantly. They take up so little space that I even have enough space to keep shoes under there, so it's perfect. I also added these little leg thingies, I don't remember what they're called, to the bed just to add height, and they connect to this power strip where I have all my different chargers on the table. And then towards the back of my desk, I just have like my YouTube video ideas, a schedule, a Wendy Williams ticket, a morning and night routine reminder. And then right here on the side, I have my monthly calendar with all of my to-dos. But yeah, this is the desk where I do my makeup or homework. Towards the back of that little light up mirror, I keep some extra makeup products. And then on the second tier, I keep folders, stationery, and hair care and body care items. And then on that tier, I keep extra books, folders, microphones, and extra products for later use. On the last tier, I keep my camera bag, makeup bag, a purse, and a binder. And then right here on the side, I just have my little everyday bag hanging. So that's what that looks like. And then right here, I have my chair, a scarf, and my favorite bag where I can fit my laptop and everything. And then right here, I just have a memory foam pillow. So after sitting long periods of time, it doesn't hurt my back. In this first drawer, I keep Q-tips, hair pins, and hairbrushes and face masks. Now on this drawer to the right, I keep like my makeup products for everyday use, like lipsticks, moisturizer, under eye cream, blush palettes, and my little beauty blenders. So yeah. And this second one, I keep all of my headbands, scrunchies, little accessories in that rectangle organizer, eyeglasses, and hair gel. So yeah. hair items. And then the third drawer is not as organized, but I just keep feminine hygiene products, cotton pads, air freshener, and even some rain ponchos and did I say Tide Pods already? Tide Pods. So yeah, it's kind of hard to organize because it's so many things, but whatever. On this little corner, I keep my shoes on a shoe rack, and I also hung my hats so they're nice and safe and they don't get damaged. Right here is the door to our closet, and this is my dresser. That's where I keep all my black clothes for studio, my towels, and my undergarments. And then on top, I just keep my everyday essentials like my glasses, my gloves, my school ID, and my headphones for when I'm heading out the door. In this little corner, I keep extra gloves, a wrinkle releaser, and an umbrella, as well as my shower caddy that's always ready to go when I need to jump in the shower and get ready. I keep a little towel under it so it doesn't damage the dresser if it's wet. But yeah, it just has my essentials. Now we are heading into the closet. So the left side of the closet is my side. So I'll show you guys what's there. But basically when you walk in, you can see my slippers are there in a neat little corner. And then you can also see my luggage that's ready to go back to Georgia, y'all. And then I also have my bathrobe, my towel hanging. On top, I keep my snow boots in an extra bag. And then right here, I just have some scarves hanging on this little perfect hanger for them, extra hangers, skirts so they don't get wrinkled, and a whole bunch of winter jackets because it's cold. And then under there, I just keep my hamper. So I try to do laundry at least once a week, which is pretty good. So that's our walk-in closet, and I am so happy that we got it because like most people don't have one of those. But this is an overall look at the room. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and yeah.
Well, you guys, that's it for my dorm tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's not as beautiful as my room in Georgia, but I do love my little dorm, and I actually don't spend as much time in here as I wish I did, but that's okay because I'm experiencing the city. But I'm very, very lucky and blessed to be here because there's always a security guard at the door, which makes me feel very safe, and it's very close to campus. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, as well as hit that subscribe button down below so you can be subscribed to see all my new content, and hit the notifications bell so you can be notified every time I upload straight to your device. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.